Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you may be at. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday was an awesome day in the Dominican Republic. I was I still am in Santo Domingo. This video is basically, one of my first videos. I have a lot of videos to upload. I actually made an extensive amount of content with my camera, my drone, my phone, and so forth. I am just showing you the beautiful beach of Boca Chica. Uh, you know, when I have been here before, years ago, and it was a little different to say the least. There's also videos on YouTube of how different it has been over the years as far as the congestion, the people, the hustlers, whatever the case may be. I came here today, yesterday, what was that, Thursday, and I was just amazed and so satisfied with what I saw. Like, look how clear this water is. Uh, I have some boat videos and pictures as well, but you can literally, you can literally go out on a boat, right, and see to the bottom. That is how clear the water is. You can see to the bottom of the ocean. All right. This water is amazing, right? This water is so amazing. And I'm not even a beach person. This water is so amazing that I have to come back. I just have to come back and re-experience this opportunity. Uh, what I will say is, I had fun with my drone. I've probably flown my drone uh, probably a handful of times. If not a handful, maybe no more than 7 times I've flown my drone. On this particular occasion, I flew my drone so far out, right, that I got one of those error messages stating that loss of control, blah 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 blah. Bring the drone down. You know what I'm saying? I was so far out or so far up that I got an error message regarding control. So I started the descent. All right, the beach is surrounded by a plethora of places that you can rent, whether those be places on Airbnb, TripAdvisor, whatever the case may be, where you will be walking distance to the beach. Me personally, I have a apartment in Santo Domingo, and it was maybe a 50-minute Uber ride with a young lady here. So if you don't want to be surrounded by tourists, I suggest renting a place further out from the beach, and you will be just okay. Had to bring the drone down. It was a quick flight because the police came. About 4 or 5 police came. There you go. You see two right there. Two more are going to show up on the motorcycle. And they told me I was not authorized to fly my drone and to bring the drone down. So unfortunately, my drone video got cut short because the police came and told me I wasn't authorized to be there, and I didn't want to be on another season of Locked Up Abroad. All right. Until next time.